Dude, they're flying the model aircraft again out here. I always remember as a kid them doing this. Can we see anything? Can you see the plane? It's up there on the left. See it on the ground. See all the planes. Yo, I'm here at Jordan again to shelter from the heat. This day's 28, next day's 28, next 3 days after that 29. So I'm gonna try assorted hiding under trees. One will probably be Belver Forest again, one will probably be Broderstow. I don't know about the other two. Last time we were here it was Depression Day. Anyway, over there you can see Sharpetor, same as always, and Pewtor. And they're flying the model aeroplanes right down there. God, they haven't flown them out here since I was a kid. Maybe I should go see them at some point. I don't know how long they'll be out for though. They'll probably be gone by the time I want to move on. Oh, I know though, that's a big cam. There's the model aircraft squad, team, group, gang. This guy's just landed one. Or he's about to take off. Keep it steady, boy. Oh, there's some ferns in the way so I can't quite see, but it's there. See the car, the plane in front of the car, near the blue umbrella? And they always used to do that, and in that same spot when I lived in Horribridge and my parents drove past. Very cool little crow, dude. Is he a baby? Is he just out of juvenilehood? Or is he adult? He's not talking now. Come on, you silly thing. Look at my blacky bird buddy over there. He's digging in the autumny leaves. I don't know why it'd be autumny leaves, but dried leaves. Kicking around down there, trying to find something.
That's embarrassing.
What's he doing around
Rip the buttons off your blouse.
He's starting over.
Less than 10 feet. Large caliber weapon. You know these work.
He's like, thanks, Captain Obvious.
What?